Are you tired of cluttered counters and complicated cooking? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate 9-in-1 pressure cooker designed to revolutionize your kitchen. This incredible appliance replaces 9 different gadgets, letting you pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make yogurt, and more, all in one sleek device. Its 15 customizable smart programs take the guesswork out of meal prep, making delicious dishes effortless from beginner to gourmet. Plus, the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, easy cleanup, and long-lasting durability for years to come. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a powerful tool that brings incredible convenience and versatility, truly making it one of the best kitchen investments for 2025. Ready to simplify your cooking and reclaim your time? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description right now. I highly recommend this game-changing cooker for anyone looking for a reliable, multifunctional kitchen upgrade. Go ahead and check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon via the link below.